Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best hair oil for damaged hair. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best hair oil for damaged hair. For smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market, and list their features and prices. When searching for the best hair oil for damaged hair, consider products rich in nourishing ingredients that promote healing and restore strength. Look for oils like argan, coconut, and jojoba, which are known for their deep moisturizing properties and ability to repair damaged strands. Often referred to as liquid gold, argan oil is packed with essential fatty acids and vitamin E. It hydrates, reduces frizz, and adds shine, making it ideal for restoring the luster of damaged hair. Renowned for its deep penetration into hair shafts, coconut oil helps prevent protein loss and strengthens hair from within. Its antimicrobial properties also help maintain a healthy scalp, which is crucial for hair repair. With a composition similar to the natural oils produced by the scalp, jojoba oil provides excellent moisture without leaving a greasy residue. It helps balance oil production and can soothe an irritated scalp, promoting overall hair health. When buying hair oil, opt for products free from parabens, sulfates, and artificial fragrances to avoid further damage. Check for user reviews and choose brands with high quality, pure formulations. Applying hair oil regularly can significantly improve the texture, strength, and appearance of damaged hair, making it a worthwhile investment for long-term hair health. Thanks for watching the video.